ही गजाल सप्टेंबर 2016तली. वास्कोचो बिझनेसमॅन मुन्नालाल हलवाईन आदलो IGP सुनील गर्गा आड लाचखोरीचे केसीत FIR रजिस्टर करपाक कितल्योशोच उठाबशी काडल्यो. ACBचो हुमरो जरयलो, मात ACB FIR करपाक तयार ना. IPS पुलीस अधिकाऱ्याआड FIRक केंद्रीय गृह मंत्रालयाकडच्यान सँक्शन जाय म्हूण तांणी खंय FIR रजिस्टर करूंक ना. निमाणें सोमारा पणजेचे सेशन कोर्टाक ACBक FIR रजिस्टर करूंक म्हूण आदेश दिवचो पडलो.
Court has allowed to register FIR now. I am very happy today. Court has allowed. It has taken time, but I have got justice from this court. I want each and everybody people, we should come and fight against. Don't depend on or the politician or anybody else. You should have to fight on your own will, and then only these people will get scared. A corrupt person shouldn't be allowed to sit on the chair to make money. I appeal all the people, come like me and fight against such persons. See, one more thing is that even Manohar Parrikar, our honorable CM, when I had told him to listen to my grievances, then he told me to take 15 days time. Why should he take 15 days time? Even after 15 days also, he didn't call me second time.
फोण्या एका आदोगादान वास्कोचो बिझनेसमॅन मुन्नालाल हलवाईक 1 कोटीक टोपी घाली म्हूण तो तेन्नाचो IGP सुनील गर्गाक मेळूंक गेल्लो. आदोगादा आड FIR करचो म्हूण तो गेल्लो, मात हलवाई सांगता त्या प्रमाण सुनील गर्गान खंय ताचे कडेन 5.5 लाख मागले, तेय बी 2 हप्त्यांनी. आपल्या कडेन गर्गाचो ऑडियो रिकॉर्डेड आसा म्हूण हलवाई सांगता. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.